If you love good skincare products, Dermalogica is amazing. I have 3 of my favorite ones right here. I'm going to show you how to use them. So we're going to start with the Biolumin C. This is what it looks like when it comes out. It's kind of like a yellowish tint. And this is really, really good for your skin. So I just put it all over. I have cleansed. I love the Superfoliant for cleansing because it also exfoliates. That one's really good. So this one is great, and it does have that vitamin C in it, which is so good to give your skin that healthy, healthy glow. Really easy to use. I like that pump style to it. And then I always follow up with this one because it has SPF in it. This is an oil-free matte. That's what it looks like when it comes out. And it's really, really easy to go on as well. So you're just gonna put this over your face. Rub it in. You can see I used a lot, but you'll see it's so easy to rub right in. And then I'm not doing too much on my neck area right now because that's the next product. Wait till you see. I always put like extra on my arms and my hands. Okay, and then the next one, this one's cool. This is the Neck Fit. So as you age, you know, your face may stay tight, but what about your neck? What are you doing to help your neck? So this one, there's a twist to it to turn it on and off. And then once it's on, you kind of like push it. And then there's a roller, and I just roll up my neck. And this really helps firms all the skin around your neck area. A lot of times the neck gives away the age. So you gotta make sure you get something like this to firm it up. And then I just let it dry. So that's the Contour Fit. This thing is amazing. I love, love, love Dermalogica. All their products are great, and you're gonna love them too.